Hello and welcome to this episode for Product of the Week. I'm your host, Robin Mitchell. In today's episode, we will not be throwing the product because it cost more than my mortgage interest payments, and that product is the Recomputer J4012, an edge AI device packing a Jetson Orin NX 16GB system. The Recomputer J4012 is a small form factor computer that is specially designed for AI edge workloads. Coming in a very handsome case, all the ports you could need for such applications, and an extremely powerful AI engine, this machine could very well be the answer to your AI problems. What makes this machine awesome, besides its high-quality build and awesome form factor, is that it packs a Jetson Orin NX 16GB AI accelerator. This card, containing 1024 CUDA cores and 32 Tensor Cores, can be used for real-time AI systems such as object recognition in live streams, making decisions based on large streams of sensor data, and providing low-latency AI when and where it is needed. Considering that the Jetson Orin is designed for making AI energy efficient, this unit can help to bring AI to the edge while reducing its power consumption massively. As we just said, the Recomputer J4012 integrates a Jetson Orin NX 16GB AI accelerator, which itself has 1024 CUDA cores using Ampere architecture and 32 Tensor Cores. With 16GB of RAM and an ARM Cortex A78AE clocked in at 2 GHz, the Jetson can provide up to 100 TOPS of 8-bit data, which is a serious amount of deep learning capability on the edge. The integration of 128GB of NVMe SSD storage means that not only is I/O access super fast, but it allows for the rapid loading and swapping of larger AI models, something that can often take an age. JetPack SDK comes pre-installed, which itself is a godsend. The dimensions of this unit, 130 by 120 by 58.5mm, makes this unit highly compact for what it provides, and its operating temperature range from -10 to 60 degrees means that it can be used in more than just your average domestic environment. Oh, and for the American viewers, that's Celsius, not Fahrenheit. With Ethernet connectivity, multiple I/O ports, including USB and HDMI, you really can't go wrong with this machine. Considering that this thing packs an AI accelerator, you would be pretty stupid to use this as an average PC for office and casual browsing. No, this machine is an AI terminator, in that it will terminate your AI problems, your code, and possibly your neighbor in the future AI war, where man will ultimately have to face the machine, defending his right to exist, to make a living, to struggle in what would otherwise be a cruel and indifferent world, full of fear, dangers, and... okay, whatever. So yes, firstly, this will be perfect for edge AI applications such as smart IoT security systems that can automatically recognize specific people, not just humans, and track their activities. This could be massively beneficial for applications such as access control, security logs, and cyber attack resistance. Another excellent project for this unit would be self-driving systems. Now, while a self-driving system for a vehicle on the road may not be possible on this device, it could very easily power anything inside warehouses where environments are much more controlled. The ability to run image processing in real time means you can easily avoid people, recognize objects, and avoid obstacles, unless you want to specifically target them. Finally, because this device is ideal for edge applications, it can also be perfect for predictive maintenance of industrial systems. Simply put, live sensor data could be streamed to this unit, and its powerful AI capabilities could not only make predictions on quality and reliability, but also run digital twins of the system being monitored. The Recomputer J4012 is an absolute beast of an edge AI machine, and is ideal for those needing low latency, high capability AI that isn't running on some random remote server relying on decent internet connections. Its Jetson Nano accelerator means that latency in any AI models is all but eliminated, and the large RAM combined with a 64-bit ARM core processor and various I/O means that you will never struggle with an edge AI application ever again. If you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and head over to the Electromaker store where you can get this and everything else you could possibly need, and I'll see you next time.